तो पीसीबी के बाद why did you not go for NEET, psychiatry and MBBS, and why did you choose BSc? I was always fascinated to see it. I mean, how does it look? So have you guys actually see it?
Yeah, we have also. Yeah, we have
You practice.
Yeah.
Psychology students are getting paid.
Yeah.
Oh my god. अगर एक 12th क्लास का बच्चा आप तीनों को देख रहा है, so I think they're very motivated to do research, internship, be entrepreneurs and everything. But still, any tips that you want to give to them? So please tell them about the residential campus and how safe it is, because they have the safety concerns. Hi everyone, my name is Swasti and I'm founder of Gen Z Therapist. I'm a teacher, trainer, educator, counseling psychologist, and you can just follow my page to know more. Today I am at Rishihood University to interact with students of Rishihood who are absolutely genius. I am having an absolutely amazing time talking to them. So hi guys, how are you?
Hello.
Hello, I'm good.
Okay.
I don't know about them.
All right. So can you just give me just your names and the course that you're doing at Rishihood?
This is me, Namrata. I'm doing PhD Psychology Honors in Rishihood.
Hi, I'm Swastika. I am doing BSc Psychology Honors, first year at Rishihood University.
This is Vishal. I am pursuing BSc Honors Psychology in Rishihood itself.
Okay. So all three of you from BSc.
Yeah.
Yes. So why did you guys decided कि हमको psychology pursue करना है? I mean there would have been different courses. And आपका background क्या है? I'm assuming तीनों science से हो?
Yeah, I am from PCB.
PCB.
I'm also from PCB.
Same goes to.
तो PCB के बाद why did you not go for NEET, psychiatry and MBBS, and why did you choose BSc?
Okay, so I'll go first. First of all, जब PCB जब मेरा चल रहा था 11th-12th में, so I was unsure. Like a lot of people, of course, they were telling me that medical is a really good option. Go for medical, but to be honest, it wasn't really like big of a passion for me, and the amount of investment of time, money that you have to do, and like to become a doctor, it's like very much time taking and lot of patience, and I just wanted to go for some other method for PCB.
Okay.
So yes.
Yeah, like I was quite interested in medical field. Like I was going to Russia, and it is Orenburg State Medical University, OSMU. Like ये मैं promotion नहीं कर रहा actually, but मुझे medical में जाना था, but मेरे marks like 510 to be like अगर बताना हो मुझे तो 510 थे, तो like मुझे कोई government college नहीं मिल रही थी obviously.
As honest he could get.
या तो मुझे लाइक मेरा इंटरेस्ट कि मेरे एक रिलेटिव ने और एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट से मैंने बात की थी, उन्होंने कहा था कि लाइक क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी की तरफ तुम देख सकते हो एक बार, लाइक अगर तुम्हें ये फैसिनेट करता है समथिंग, और न्यूरो साइंस इज़ द थिंग, लाइक वो थोड़ा सा मुझे हमेशा से मेरी लाइक थोड़ा सा क्यूरियोसिटी उधर थी, तो लाइक दैट्स व्हाई मैं
So neuropsych and clinical psychology.
या
बट as a guy काफ़ी स्टीरियोटिपिकल थॉट्स है कि लड़कियां ही ज़्यादा अच्छा करती है इस फील्ड में, तो उस प्रोसेस में कुछ गए थे आप दैट एज अ गाय हाउ वुड यू बी नेविगेटिंग करियर इन साइकोलॉजी?
या मेरा लाइक सेम क्वेश्चन था, जो जिनसे मैंने बात की थी जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट थे वो मेल थे.
ओह.
ओके, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि हाँ ये लाइक थोड़ा सा स्टीरियोटाइप है, तो इस पे ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करने का जैसा उनका लैंग्वेज था. ओके, तो इट्स लाइक कि ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली परस्यू कर सकते हो, ऐसा इन वेव में मत जाओ. इट्स लाइक रिसर्च अच्छे से करो और
वेरी नाइस.
फॉलो करो.
ग्रेट. व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Personally, I was into like medical. MBBS मुझे भी करना था, but मुझे धीरे धीरे ये समझ आया कि medical is not for me. I can't see people in pain.
ओह.
So
एंड साइकोलॉजी में आपको हम हंसते मुस्कुराते
नहीं,
क्लाइंट्स देंगे फिर?
yeah, it's like मतलब I can't see physical pain there, but there is also pain. There is vast number of pain there in the mental. It's more harmful, I would say. But हाँ, मैं वो like I can't see a patient like वहाँ तड़पता हुआ देख नहीं सकती. So I came here like I was always into like I need to help someone, help people. Like always my family used to tell me like you will be a medical student or something. So that's why I chose this.
And I think psychology भी science ही है. In a general, you guys are going to be mental health professionals. So you guys are going to contribute tremendously.
Yes.
So he was interested in clinical and neuropsych. What about you two?
I'm interested in Indian psychology and cognitive science. Actually, I want to merge both of them.
Sounds interesting. What about you?
So, like, if you would have asked me like few months back before enrolling, right, I would have said either forensics, clinical, or bit of neuroscience. But right now, it's like as a first year students, my perception is changing more about psychology. It's like you have so much more than that, more than just mental health. Okay, you
Yeah.
have like industrial organizational psychology.
Absolutely.
I have my own startup, and also it sort of like merges into it. And yeah, there are so many other streams that you can go for in psychology, right?
Yeah, I think the best part about all three of you is कि वो unconventional counseling, clinical नहीं बोला. You all three have chosen such unconventional fields, and I'm just very curious to see how your career would carve in that direction. But जैसे अब आप लोगों ने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि अब साइकोलॉजी करना है, ठीक है, बीएससी करना है, पोर्स से अब आप साइंस की फील्ड में ही थे. हाउ डिड यू केम अक्रॉस ऋषि होड एंड व्हाई डिड यू चूज ऋषि होड?
इट्स लाइक मैं अपनी जर्नी बताऊँ तो मैं लाइक कोटा में मैं नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था. तो लाइक कोटा को सी ऑफ करने का टाइम था और उस टाइम पे लाइक नॉर्मल रैंडम कोई काम नहीं थे. तो बस की कॉलेजेस देख रहा था जो एक स्टूडेंट 12th के बाद सब वही अभी
वही कर रहे हैं.
अभी के पास आउट वही
वही
कर
कर
रहे
रहे
हैं.
हैं.
हाँ, तो बस नॉर्मल सर्च कर रहा था तो मुझे एक कोटा वेदांतु के मास्टर टीचर एक थे, लाइक वो हमारे फेस्ट में भी आए थे.
Okay.
तो उनकी वीडियो मैंने देखी थी, उन्होंने रिशूट के बारे में बताया था. एंड देन कि मैंने सर्च किया रिशूट के बारे में सारा जितने लाइक मुझे ब्राउज़र पे मिल सकते थे उनकी वेबसाइट वगैरह विजिट करके मैंने लाइक इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर की. फिर मैं कांटेक्ट में आया शिवाली मैम के. तो लाइक मुझे यहाँ लाइक सब कुछ डिटेल्स दी गई एकेडमिक्स क्या है. फिर मैंने एक डिसीजन अपना बनाया था.
Perfect.
So, like, honestly, Rishud wasn't really my first choice, okay? It was, like my second or my third choice, I would say. But, like, when I started looking at what opportunities I'll be getting, the facilities, it's a good university, it's a newly built university, amazing facilities, maintenance, acha hai. Hostel life was good, campus life is good. So, I had to look into all those factors also, right? I am a person from Mumbai, actually,
Okay.
yeah. So, I wanted to go out of Mumbai to experience more, to,
Yeah.
like get the life and see how it works for me, right? So I wanted to first of all like move out of my city and explore the options. Good facilities, good campus life, somewhere where, like मेरा academics harm ना हो, but I also have a good time. I can do my good extracurriculars and like the vibe of the
Yeah.
people, the culture. All of those factors milake, I thought that Rishihood, like would be a really good place to actually come to. So yeah.
Perfect.
For me, it was like it was done by my friend. She just, she registered my number in Rishihood's portal, and she then I got a call like कि you have like आपको क्या admission लेनी है नहीं लेनी है. So then I met teachers. Then I came here to visit Rishihood, and then I got to know much more about, and it was like a nice place, and it is like a curious thing to do, to be here. Like you have something or the other to do here, to build,
like
to
आपका
learn.
साइकोलॉजी के अलावा भी एक्सपोजर टू अदर डोमेन्स भी हैं.
Yes, we can learn. We even have like minors which is starting from second year. You can mix match the
So what
bachelor.
kind of minors do they offer?
They offer, like for me, I'm a BSc psychology student, so I have opportunities from BBA, then CSAI and CS and database.
Which is computer science?
Yeah.
Okay.
And even I do have exposure to design backgrounds.
All right. Great.
So I would want to add to that, like she just said about the fields. We have finance, entrepreneurship, design, communicative design.
Wow.
Those two are different options. You also have computer science, as she said. These are the 5 main minors. I don't think so I'm forgetting anything else.
Okay.
Uske baad we also have electives, right? So there are like 2 electives from psychology. So like other people from other fields, they can choose that. You have electives again in finance, BBA. We have
Got
cinema
it.
studies,
Great.
economy.
So you
yeah.
mentioned entrepreneurship, and as we were discussing before podcast, I got to know you also opened a startup. So can you tell me more about it? How did you, hear what role Rishi Hood had in your startup? And you were also mentioning ISB Hyderabad. So can you tell me about that?
I'll answer the second question first, actually, how I got to know about it. It was from Rishiud University Foundations program.
Okay.
It's a compulsory program that all the first years have to do, irrespective of whatever course that they are choosing, right? So it talks about, like, first of all, yourself. It talks about India, geopolitics, whatever problems that you find in India, and how do you design the solutions for it.
So like very problem solving, like a problem focused approach.
Exactly. And so we were just having a small discussion with like the professors. We had this segment of unsung heroes, right? So about like the freedom fighters, the royals, and so many people who have done contributed so much for India,
But
right?
they are not known.
Yeah, but they are not known, right? So people like those, they to actually shed light upon them, right? That was our main idea when we came for the startup. So it was not just limited to people. It's limited to like philosophies. We have famous philosophies, but there are so many unknown philosophies. It was more getting into depth of Bhagavad Gita, let's say,
Wow.
about astrology and whatever topic that you're interested in related to ancient India and Indian knowledge systems. That is what Inculcate is, the
Okay.
app.
And how did you get the funding?
The funding, it's still launching, right? It's still like in like the
Initials.
time to launch, and like it's still getting tested and all.
Mm-hmm.
We are talking to a lot of people, a lot of investors. Abhi tak to we are pre-incubated by Indian School of Business.
Wow.
Like the actual founder of the app, the startup, he is over there. He's doing a 6 months course over there, immersive
Wow.
program. We are also recognized by IIT Roorkee and Kanpur.
Beautiful.
It's been a great journey for us. Yeah.
Great. And you were talking about some entrepreneurship cell, placement cell. You're head of something?
Yeah, like I am the finance and investment. So like we have clubs in our college.
Okay.
Okay, I am in the Finanza club. It is about finance and investment and all, the stock market, and I am like the finance and investment head. So basically, I have a keen interest in like stock markets and all. Like I love to do
Wow.
investments and money making.
Yeah, it's very important.
Yeah, so you talked about like our minors. So I have
Yeah.
also selected like finance as my minor.
Wow.
So it will be a combo like my majors in BSc psychology and my minor
I
in
love how three of you has like combination of psychology, computer science, entrepreneurship, commerce. It's like the perfect, combination that you will be very versatile in your fields and in general. That I think ये सब कुछ सबको आना चाहिए. I mean, when I was in my bachelor's, one complaint that I had during my college, I was from LSR Delhi University. Even though I was from the best of the college, still I used to, half of the time protests हो रहा है, classes हो रही है, नहीं हो रही है. And because it's such a reputed institution, it is also well established बहुत पहले से. But the thing was syllabus बहुत redundant था. Like I was just studying, तो शायद मैं NCERT से पढ़कर ही आई थी. So therein I can see that you guys are studying. I mean मुझे तब forensic और ये सब पता भी नहीं था कि एग्जिस्ट करता है.
या ऑब्वियसली वी कांट से कि लाइक हमें ये करना था बट पेरेंट्स के प्रेशर की वजह से या फिर अपने प्रेशर की वजह से हमें ये पढ़ना पड़ रहा है या समथिंग लाइक दैट. बिकॉज मैं साइंस बैकग्राउंड से था, मैं यहाँ पे साइकोलॉजी कर रहा हूँ बट मेरा इंटरेस्ट लाइक फाइनेंस में है. तो लाइक वी कैन मर्ज, ऑब्वियसली वी कैन मर्ज बिहेवियरल साइकोलॉजी
you
विद
can always then do masters, maybe MBA कर सकते हो. Then you can, there is no also this hard and fast rule ना कि अगर आपने BSc ही कर लिया तो अब आपको साइकोलॉजिस्ट ही बनना है आगे.
One point that I would want to bring into notice is that like we all were, like from PCB backgrounds mostly. Our classroom has like mostly science. I would say about 65% science and rest of it humanities, if I'm not wrong, right? So all of us, we are like coming from like this background, like this education system where textbook से हमारा काम हो जाता था. NCERT was something that was like the Bible,
Yeah, the
and
Bible.
that is how like we gave our exams. यहाँ पे आके we were sort of lost, okay, for like some time because we had no textbooks at all, okay. Like ma'am बस पढ़ाती थी. It was more of an interactive discussion.
And
And she would leave.
if I'm not mistaken, तुम लोग को MacBooks भी मिले ना? That is
Exactly.
so cool यार. I mean, I would have died for that.
We all have MacBooks in our every
That's
student
very
have MacBook
fancy.
in campus. Yeah.
So also not just MacBooks, we have 1 lakh research fund.
Wow.
Yes, so like if you want to like publish a research, you need money for it, or if you want to go for any internships, right, or any sort of projects that you want to do, then yes, Rishi would ask your back for that.
Wow.
As she said about research internship, I just published my papers, and that was funded by Rishud only, the from the research grant only. We like they force though like they uh, push us to publish the research paper, and they gave us like there is a 1 lakh research fund, so we can take that money to use in our internship, our
Yeah,
research,
any
and our projects.
academic or
Yeah.
any. And what was your research about?
My research was on child labor and how its trauma works on their resilience. So it is now published in International Journal of Business Management and Scientific Research. You can check it on there.
ग्रेट यू नो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय बैचलर्स तब मुझे पता भी नहीं था रिसर्च पेपर जैसा कुछ पब्लिश जैसा कोई चीज़ होता है स्पेशली मैं बीए कर रही थी एंड वी हैड लाइक अ 3 ईयर बीए तो मुझे बस अपने इंटरेस्ट के लिए पब्लिश करना था एंड आई यूज़ टू गो टू टीचर्स की रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश कैसे करना है लिखना कैसे एंड आई हैड ज़ीरो हेल्प तो यहाँ पर अगर इस चीज़ के लिए स्पेशली फंड है एंड लाइक आपको मेंटोरशिप मिल रही है दैट्स लाइक and I think government is also pushing research. Now you have 4 years of BA honors, and the fourth year would be dedicated to research. But I mean, you guys are in your first year, and I think you also have done something in research.
Actually, it was my first internship in CHS Center for Human Sciences. It is in
Okay.
our campus itself, and वहाँ पे मुझे research सीखने को मिल रही है, and I got also a stipend for that.
What psychology students are getting paid?
Yeah.
Even I got paid.
Oh my God! I have paid whole my life for internships.
And in my first semester, I had presented a paper in GRDC Delhi, the Guru Ramdas College of
Yeah,
Education.
yeah.
It's in Delhi. I had presented my paper regarding the multilingualism in NEP.
Wow.
According to NEP 2020. And recently we had gone for a conference in KR Mangalam University, and it was all all expenses were funded. It was all
That's
from our
very
research
cool.
grant. Yeah.
That's actually very cool.
Yeah, it was on the mental health. We are visiting towards the Viksit Bharat. We are going towards it, Viksit Bharat 2047, and what will be the mental health? We have to focus on that. It was regarding that.
I would like to continue that. अगर हम अभी से रिसर्च सीख रहे हैं तो what would happen, like क्या benefits हो रहे हैं, ऐसे हम सीख रहे हैं तो we would complete our PhD really fast.
Yeah, and I think there is also this provision कि आप 4 years के बाद सीधा PhD कर सकते हो, side D कर सकते हो. There are different things that are coming up.
You don't have to do your master, it's not mandatory now. You can just skip it and just go for PhD, and even you can complete your
And research
PhD.
in general helps a lot. I mean, आपके नेट JRF में points होते हैं, PhD में pointers होते हैं. So you guys are doing a great job. Kudos on that. So how do you think that now you see yourself, you know, when you're graduating? तो how do you think कि ऋषिवुड के curriculum से आपको कौन से aspects help करने वाले हैं आपकी learning में?
I would say the multidisciplinary aspects, like it would be helping us really well. Even हमें कुछ और भी करना हो except psychology, हम वो भी कर सकते हैं. We can explore different fields and
Definitely.
so it would be a nice opportunity for me to like explore every field here and know my interest
Yeah.
and know my background.
I mean, what step that Issued University has taken, it's sort of a unorthodox approach, if I can say, in the sense that many universities application ke time mein I saw that they were focusing a lot on just psychology itself, right?
Yeah.
And research भी मतलब शुरू होता था about second या third year से, if I'm not wrong, right?
वो भी bachelors में नहीं होता included.
Exactly. So, research was something I was concerned about. कि if I want to do research, right, in the future, then how would I do it? यहाँ पे आके I still feel that I made a pretty good decision in the sense that I never knew that I would be able to, you know, like be a founding member of a startup. Okay.
I mean, that's huge.
Yeah, and then you know, like we went to Bharat Mandapam. I think a lot of us we presented our papers there also. I was presenting a paper
There
also.
is some
and,
lab also here. What is it about?
Human augmentation lab, ma'am. So it's actually Kanishk sir uses it a lot. तो उसमें क्या होता है that we have lot of like stuff which is related to BSc psychology and it's used for research purposes mostly.
Okay.
And one highlight is that we have the EEG machine,
Wow.
which is not really
I was always fascinated to see it. I mean, how does it look? So, have you guys actually see it?
yeah, we have
We have
also
practiced it.
yeah we have
You practice.
Yeah.
I am going to visit that place.
Like, if I tell you, in this summer internship, we are going for holidays, and few students are going to that RML hospital in
Yeah,
Delhi
Ram
for the
Manohar.
internship of that EEG. They will
Wow.
practice on
Dude,
the
आपको पता है
patients.
वहाँ पर internship लेना was such a task. All my bachelors and masters, I used to, in even masters में ना, I was in Amity. तो हमारे Amity के बच्चों को तो वो भाव ही नहीं देते थे कि प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी को मिलता ही नहीं था RML में. तो if you guys are getting internship there, please use it well.
You are talking about masters. We are getting in
बैचलर
bachelor's first year.
ओ माय गॉड मैं
First
भूल
year.
जाती हूँ कि मैं मास्टर्स के बच्चों से बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. मेरा रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हुआ था सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ मास्टर्स में. जेंजी आई फाउंडेड मास्टर्स में एंड यू गाइज आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग सच अ ग्रेट जॉब. वन थिंग दैट आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल कि ये तीनों साइंस बैकग्राउंड के थे, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है दैट इफ़ यू हैव ह्यूमैनिटीज़ सो यू कांट परस्यू BSc. ऑल्सो अभी से BSc कर लोगे सो दैट इज़ वे बेटर बिकॉज देन MSc फ्रॉम BA करने से बहुत लाइक आई ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड टू डू MSc बट बिकॉज आई हैड BA इन साइकोलॉजी तो वो नेविगेशन तब करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था. So that's very, very good. Any last minute tips in generic, not related to Rishihood, but you know, अगर एक 12th class का बच्चा आप तीनों को देख रहा है, so I think they're very motivated to do research, internship, be entrepreneurs and everything. But still, you know, any tips that you want to give to them?
या लाइक इट्स ऑल अबाउट ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन होती है कि जब आप 12th पास आउट होते हो ना तो दिमाग में बहुत सारे थॉट्स चल रहे होते हैं क्या करना है कैसे करना है क्योंकि फैमिली प्रेशर सोसाइटल प्रेशर लाइक बहुत कुछ होता है एंड इट्स लाइक मैं हमेशा से लाइक मनी मेकिंग काइंड ऑफ माइंड बिजनेस माइंड और समथिंग वैसा आता था और साइंस बैकग्राउंड से था मैं सब कुछ ऐसे उलझे हुए थे बट काइंड ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट ने जो प्रोवाइड किया है मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा फैसिनेट किया था वो इकलौता था कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि लाइक आप 12th के बाद जैसे मैं भी था मैं साइंस बैकग्राउंड से था नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ और इतना ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग सब कुछ होता है क्या करना है कैसे करना है लाइक जब मैं नीट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ सब कुछ सॉर्टेड था कि हाँ MBBS करना है वैसे लाइक कॉलेजेस में जाना है लेकिन उसके बाद जब MBBS नहीं हो पाया तो लाइक मैं सोच रहा हूँ मेरे पास तो कोई बैकअप ही नहीं था मैं अब क्या करूँ और मुझे ड्रॉप नहीं लेना ठीक है तो इट वाज ऑल अबाउट कि कितना कंफ्यूजिंग होता है ये और ऋषिवुड का मैंने करिकुलम देखा था उसके बाद शिवाली मैम ने मुझे समझाया था कि क्या क्या प्रोवाइड हो रहा है जो यहाँ के बहुत अच्छे हैं कि माइनर्स और ओपन इलेक्टिव्स के भी ऑप्शन है आपके पास तो
Right.
इसने मुझे लाइक ये बहुत ज़्यादा फैसिनेट किया था कि मेरे रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं हूँ मैं कुछ करने के लिए कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ उसी में सब कुछ करना
एंड
पड़ेगा
बैकअप्स के भी बैकअप्स रेडी हैं अब.
या लाइक आप बिल्कुल रिस्ट्रिक्टेड नहीं हो कुछ भी कर सकते हो
Great.
वैसा वाला
one
Last
point that I
minute
would that I would want to give to like all the 12th grade students. See, if you want to do psychology, if you really want to pursue it, right, 12th grade NCERT zarur padna. That's going to take you places, okay? And I'm not just saying that as a joke, but it's actually the case जो मैंने यहाँ पे देखा
आई
था.
वुड स्टिल अग्री जो मैंने 11th 12th में पढ़ा था मैं अभी तक वही हर जगह पे.
Especially in semester 1 introduction to psychology mein, it was just 12th grade thing. If you know that, you don't even have to study. That's what I did, right? And then just I know it's a very tough decision, like you have so many colleges, you do not know which one to choose. I was like in a mess when like when I issued like when I joined because it's so far away from my hometown.
Yeah.
Mumbai to Sonipat.
We actually had a webinar अभी recently with Rishihood. So like सारे मुंबई और सारे concern यही थे. So please tell them about the residential campus and how safe it is because they have the safety concern also.
Guys, it's very safe. I just want to say that it's बहुत safe है. Security हर जगह है, like you don't have to worry about it. There are some really amazing academic staff and non-academic staff here, so you don't have to worry about it. Facilities बहुत अच्छा मिल जाएगा. Mess का खाना is pretty okay. Like as compared to what
मैं
I've
भी
heard.
खाऊंगी तो मैं ज़रूर
As
honest
compared to
feedback
what
दूंगी.
I've heard from like other people who have like been to different colleges, they said Rishiut ka khana, I won't say it's 5-star, but it's really good. Like when it comes to in comparison to other colleges,
Great.
good hostels, okay, really good hostels. Boys hostel का तो क्या ही बताऊँ मैं.
आप कैसे गए बॉयज़ हॉस्टल?
मैं नहीं गई, but
अच्छा.
the thing is I have just seen how it looks, okay? The scenery, the beds that these guys get. It's I'm jealous, okay? So
Okay.
yeah, that's all I want to say.
Okay, the last minute tip would be like what you want to do, follow that. Make your inner child happy. क्योंकि अगर I would tell a छोटा सा Namrata that yeah you are doing a research, she would be a happy one,
Oh,
the
that's
most
very
happy
cute.
person, because I really had a dream to be a researcher or a scientist when I'm grown up, but everyone used to say research का spelling सीख जा फिर बात
उन्हें बोलो
करना।
मैंने publish कर दिया है अब.
या मैंने publish किया हुआ है and yeah do what you like to, and if you are really interested in mental health, peace and research, you need to come here because there are many opportunities here.
वाओ एंड अगर आपने हमें लास्ट तक देख लिया है तो मैं सारे ब्रोशर एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. यू कैन ऑल्सो DM मी एंड मैंने सारे पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट्स भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिए हैं. सो प्लीज़ सिर्फ अपने क्यूरियोसिटी के लिए यू कैन कम टू द कैंपस, चेक द ब्रोशर. यू गाइज कैन, मैं इनका भी आपको IDs, कैन दे कॉन्टैक्ट यू ऑन Gmail?
Of course.
So you guys can actually have word with them directly. So yeah, thank you so much guys, and I'm genuinely so proud of all of you. And yeah, I can't wait to see you on the field.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No problem. Thank you.